Hello, and my name is Paul van Haulg. You have seen me before on my other reviews, and I imagine you were very friendly with them. Today I'm going to do another review of another bag. This bag is probably one of the nicest bags you can have if you are a single person or you do not live with anyone and you get very lonely. The reason for this is this bag. This is my fluff bag. Okay, this bag is very special because it has a fluff on the outside of the bag. You can stroke said fluff like this, and you can imagine you have some kind of pet, like a cat or maybe a dog, and you can stroke it like this, and you can say things like good dog, nice dog. You see, and the dog does not bite you because it has no mouth, because it's a bag. But also there is a big strip that goes alongside the bag like this. It is almost like the dog is wearing a belt that goes across the dog's belly. But this dog is okay because you do not need to feed this dog. This dog does not eat food or does not drink water because this dog is a bag dog. Okay, now this bag is probably a little bit different to the other bags I've reviewed because this bag, it only has the one zip. I know, this is very difficult if you want to keep things in pockets that has more than one zip. But this one has the one zip, and I am going to open it like this. I pull it and I move it around like this. And I make sure it goes all the way to the other side because you do not want to rip the bag. So you open the bag like this, and inside the bag you reveal drugs. There's lots of them. These are probably for like some kind of illness, because people have illness. They are probably not sold on the black market. I want to make sure that you know that now. But I put them drugs back in there. What else do you have other than drugs? Yes, that's right. You have a right guard, and it is, there is other deodorants available, but this is one of them, and it is there inside the bag. And we also managed to fit in some cheese and broccoli, pasta and sauce. Yes, this is very common in countries like England. They eat the broccoli and the cheese, and they put them together with some pasta, and then they decide to have some sauce with it. I know, it is no schnoodle, I know. Okay. Inside also we have a jumper. We can fit inside the bag, we can fit noodles inside the bag, and these are chicken flavored noodles. You can get other flavors, but the only flavor that I eat is chicken because it tastes like I am eating a chicken, which is nice. But this bag, as you can see, is a little smaller than the other bags. This is not a bag if you want to keep a plate or a knife and fork inside. But you can keep things like drugs, and you can keep things like noodles. And also, when you get alone, you could stroke the bag like you have a pet dog, nice dog, good dog, you see, and it does not bite you because this has no mouth. Again, it's a bag. So, this is this bag, and I really appreciate you watching the bag. Please join me. I come back next week and I tell you another bag, and we can look at it and see if we like it. Okay, nice. So, namaste.